Well, hello everyone, it's Kari. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. I've got some really awesome dies to share and some card projects, lots of cards, using this Easy Wonder Die #1 and the add-on kit, which also has some beautiful layering elements. There's a hugs die, some banners and hearts, and we're going to be using this one today, but I also wanted to show you the Easy Wonder Die 2 because I will use this one in a later video, but look at all the different cuts you get. Now, it's difficult to understand how awesome these are until I show you what they do, but this add-on die for the second Easy Wonder Die also has some layering elements with the shadows for that thanks sentiment, with some words, also some layering elements for the ovals and the other designs. So when I got these, I had never used them before. This is my first time, and I'm going to tell you why I love them, why I fell in love. I'm going to be featuring a brand new paper pack from Not Too Shabby Shop. This is some beautiful Life is Sweet lemon themed paper, and I'm just going to show you the fronts and the backs of these as I go through them very quickly. There are multiple sheets. They're front and back, so you get 12 designs. I'm going to show you both sides here. They are beautiful papers, and I fell in love with these as well. So we're going to create multiple cards using this paper pack and that Easy Wonder Die, the first one. And I'm also going to be using a brand new product that I've never used before as well, but I also fell in love with it. And so first, let me pick out a few of these papers. I love them all, but I'm picking a few that I think are going to work well together. And the beautiful thing about working with a paper pack that comes all together is they do work really well together. So I've got a variety here, and then this is the Lemon Gnomes PET tape. I have never worked with this kind of a sticker before. They are like clear stickers, so you peel these off, but look at all the different designs of gnomes that you get all the way down to there, right there. So that's a lot of different designs, and quite a few come on this roll. So I'm going to cut off where the change happens here. So I'm just going to work with one whole row here. Look at all of these stickers. I was so surprised. And I'm going to use these for our focal element for our cards today, and we're going to make quite a few. So let's get started. I'm just going to set those aside while I take out I also wanted to let you know that I did cut out some lemon elements to add for just little decorations if I needed them. I wasn't quite sure what at this point I was going to use when I put all this together. So here's the Easy Wonder Die 1. This is from Not Too Shabby Shop, designed by LV Handcrafted. And look at it, it's all one die, so it cuts out an entire sheet of 6x6 paper. So if you have a lot of 6x6 paper lying around that you need to use up, you might want to try this. So look at all the different elements that it cuts out, different shapes, circles, squares, banners, pennants. I was surprised at all the different elements you get just with one sheet, and look at that's all that's left over from the 6x6 paper. So I'm going to cut out all 4 of these sheets, and we're going to do a little mixing and matching to build some quick, easy cards. I mean, I think I've already said this, but I fell in love right as soon as I started using this, because wow, look at all the different design elements you get. There's lots of opportunity here. So I finished cutting out all 4 of those design paper, just the different ones, and now I'm going to pick some from each to mix and match. And I decided I wanted that circle filled in, so I'm going to use both parts of that. And this is just a preliminary sketch of what I want to do for my cards. So I'm going to pick each of these elements for each card, and I'm building them on a white background right now. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it's a cardstock panel, but I do end up changing that to a green background. Now, if you're having trouble creating a sketch, there are some ideas for you on the back of this product packaging. So there's lots of ideas, and there's also lots of ideas out there on video. So don't hesitate to just steal a few ideas or copy a few ideas from some other designers as well. So I'm going to set those ones aside and then look at all the pieces I still have left. So I decided to build up a second sketch and just kind of mixing and matching and playing. Now these are not done yet. These are just preliminary, but I am going to add some layers to them using the layering add-on set for the Easy Wonder Die one. So this is just the beginnings. Now I'm going to bring in that layering set like I mentioned, and there are some circles for layering, there are some squares for layering, then of course there's that hug sentiment which I'm going to use on our second round of cards. But I thought if I cut out this circle out of white, then that's going to give us an opportunity to put the gnome sticker right on top and have that be our focal point. So I like that layer, but there's also an extra layer you can cut out, which I did cut out of black at first. And I'm just playing around, but I ended up not loving that black layer, so I don't use it in my final cards. But you can see how cute these lemon gnomes look with this lemon 6x6 paper pack. Really cute. So I'm going to pick one of the lemon dies that I had already cut and inked a little bit of ink on with some leaves, and I'm going to use that as a little bit of a garnish, if you will, for this card, and just playing around with the layout. Once I get my layout squared away, I am going to find some sentiments. I have some of these sticker sentiments that are gold foiled, and I'm going to use those for my cards. And now I can go ahead and start building up my first prototype. Once I get that done, I can make all of them that I created. So I actually created 4 of this design and 4 of the other designs. So we're going to end up with 8 cards at the end. So I cut this green cardstock down just a little bit because I wanted to have a white border all the way around my card panel. And now I'm just playing around with the rest of the elements. I'm going to put that on my card base here. So you can see there's a white mat around the whole thing. And I think I'm liking this right here. I'm just going to add a few yellow gemstones to the top for a little more sparkle. And as I put this together, I decide just a few more changes here. So I removed the black circle layer. I'm just going to add this to this circle. And I'm going to start building up the whole panel. And once I get that done, the rest are really easy. They just come together so quickly, which is one thing I really loved about this Easy Wonder Die. Now, if you decide to get the Wonder Die, I am going to suggest you get the add-on set as well for all the layering elements, because I was able to build a lot of different things using the layering elements on all these cards. And I loved it. And I thought, okay, if you have one, you're going to need the other. As I put this together, you'll understand that I have used some from each. There we go. And I'll add that little lemon right here, which I kind of like as a little element of design. And look how well all these papers go together. And this is a darker green background that I chose. And then I also have a lighter green paper that I chose. So I'm just playing around with colors, elements, visuals. It's really fun to do. So I'll add those gems to the top here. Just using my gem picker and adding those very quickly. And then I'll add the sentiment near the bottom. Now I could add it over the lemon, but I decided I wanted it just right underneath. And that's going to be our first design, You're So Sweet. I thought that was perfect for this. So I'm going to build up all the rest of them really quickly, and most of them off screen. But I'm taking all the other elements, putting them together on the background. This time I used a different little gnome element here, and I used one of the open lemon die cuts. So this is the inside view of the lemon. Again, I added some gems to this one and another sentiment with a different sentiment on it this time. So I'll just glue all those together and then I'll finish the rest off screen and show you all the ones that came together. But this was fast. I did all of this in the same crafting session, all 8 cards. So I sat down for just a little while and made 8 cards very quickly. I have to admit I was a little bit shocked at how easy it was. I didn't expect that. I thought it would be a little trickier for me. So I'm happy with these. I hope you love them as well. So let me finish building up this card and then I'll show you all the cards. I'm going to start building up that second design now as well. And for the second design, I'm going to also use the layering add-on dies. So there's the 4 I made. I'm going to show you all of them at the end. But here's the second design. Now, I had originally turned these to be a diamond, but this one, I felt like the gnome fit better changing it to be a square. So I just turned it a little bit, and that's going to create the square there. And I cut some yellow hearts out of some glitter cardstock. So 2 of them I'm going to make the square design, and 2 of them I'm going to make the diamond design. And it just depends which gnome fit better on which design. And that's what made the decision for me, truthfully. So I love this. Now, if you have ephemera pieces as well to create some quick cards like this, those would work too. And here's the different layers I use for the square. A little bit larger for the square and smaller for the white piece. And then I used those hearts and the hugs die to build up this card. So those all come from the add-on set. Now I'm going to put all of this together for you so you can see that square in the background is from gold cardstock. I wanted to bring in an element of shine. And the top square is again from white cardstock. That's so my gnomes would show through the best. I thought these looked really cute on that white. And now we're going to add the banners to the left side. I decided I liked that side of the banner. You can mix and match whatever you decide you like. Now the stitching is going to show up a little better on the other side, but since this was a patterned paper, I felt like I could mix and match and use either side also. You have lots of choices. Instead of using just a white background on these, I also brought in a light yellow cardstock, which I think really makes the lemons shine. And now I'll put this all together. I'm going to add the square right up against that banner, and then I'll add the other smaller banner over the top of the square, just a little bit overlapping. I love that. And then we're going to go ahead and glue this sentiment together. I cut out the front of the hugs with some gold cardstock to mimic that gold background. I forgot to put that little, get that little piece out of the G there, so I did that, and then I put it against a green background. So I'm using my greens and yellows here, and then I added one of the small pieces right here on the right lower portion of this card panel, and those little hearts up at the top. So we've got a little hugs panel here, and I put all those together off screen. Here's one of the diamond ones. Here's one of the square ones. And look how cute these all came together so quick and so fast with the PET tape lemon gnomes and the easy Wonder Die 1 and the add-on. I love them. I hope you do too. Here's the first ones that we made together as well. Look at how cute that little gnome is on his scooter. These ones add a little bit of a lemon die cut to them and some gold stickers, sentiments that I brought in. And there's the lighter green background. So again, mix and match, have some fun. I loved creating these. Now these are all the pieces I just had left. A few banners. There were actually a couple more banners as well. So I think 8 little banners, and these are the pieces that we had left cut out. Not very much waste. I mean, these dies are pretty brilliant, So if you have 6x6 papers lying around that you need to use up, these might be great for you. I can think of some that I really want to use up, and I know that I'll be coming back to this again and again. I also can't wait to share the Easy Die 2 with you soon. That'll be coming soon, so watch this channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss that when it comes out. I hope you enjoyed this and all the ideas. I enjoyed putting it together for you, and I will be back with more card inspiration real soon. I've linked all the products below so you could check them out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.